Based out of Silicon Valley, Kraftwerk is working on a next generation electric mobility concept. We invented new materials and nanolayers that allows the magic behind our technology. With our compact full metal fuel cell, we are able to transform natural gas or hydrogen into electricity with an extreme high efficiency. Our German fuel cell technology offers a much cleaner and more efficient alternative to lithium-ion batteries for a long-term sustainability concept. An electric car with our powertrain requires a refill just after about 2,000 miles by a 1-minute charge. The entire system will be just 1/3 of the weight and cost of a lithium-ion battery EV. Our mission is to give a real positive impact in the fight against pollution and global warming by creating the lowest carbon footprint mobility concept worldwide.
Since 2016 we raised some new projects with partners from especially the automotive field and the aircraft field. With our partners we started feasibility studies and afterwards we built the first prototypes, and now we are increasing the size of the facility to get first automatic manufacturing and mass manufacturing. We started with a founders team of 6 people, and now we are more than 30 people all over Germany, Europe and the US.
What's our strategy for China? On the one hand, of course, China is one of the most important markets also for us, since it's one of the largest mobility markets in the world. But also China understood already that electric mobility is not just based on batteries. It's also based on other technologies, especially on fuel cells, and of course also mixes and hybrid systems between batteries and fuel cell technologies like ours. Furthermore, we already went to China in 2016 in the very beginning of our company to see what will be the best fit for us and for the Chinese market. And it took us a couple of years to filter out the best strategy, and therefore we're now looking for strong partners from the automotive sector, from the OEMs, from the supplier industry, but also of course maybe aviation companies that help us to become a world leader in mobility. Regarding our business model, there are several different options. We are really open-minded for the Chinese market. So it's the first option of joint venture. So we are able to create new technologies specified for the Chinese market. On the one hand, we are able to have an exclusive license for our Chinese partners that will be able to have the whole Chinese market under one license in every different kinds of technologies. And there's the last option, of course, also to build up a production facility in China to ramp up our production capacity.